Significance of seed and fruit formation. In last lecture we have discussed about the process of formation of seed and formation of fruit. Seed is formed from the ovule and fruit is formed from the ovary after the process of fertilization. That fruit, it helps to provide a nourishment to the developing seed. Seed is present inside the fruit, and this fruit provides nourishment to the developing seed. Fruit helps to protect the seed when that seed is in immature condition. Seeds are helpful to serve as an important propagating organ, helps in the propagation of new plant body. The seeds and fruits develop special devices for their dispersal, like papillonaceous calyx and that hairy calyx, which is helpful for dispersal from the one place to the another place. In some seed, they get covered with the help of spiny covering, which get attached to the body of animal and can disperse from one place to the another place. So this is about dispersal. Another thing, the fruits are also get special device for the process of dispersal. Like you can take an example of a mango. That mango is an edible fruit, and due to that thing only they get dispersed from the one place towards the another place by the animals as well as human beings. So this is an dispersal of seed and fruit is helpful for the distribution of species throughout the earth or at suitable places. Dormancy, that is a condition of a seed in which metabolic activity of the seed are get arrested, and this arrestation of metabolic activity is helpful to provide the capacity to that seed for the survival during adverse environmental condition. Here, dormancy in the relation of organism, we can say dormancy is a state of metabolic arrest that provides the survival of organisms during adverse environmental condition. Dormancy is a structural as well as physiological adaptive mechanism. In this structural and physiological adaptive mechanism, that organism is going to make the changes in themselves as per the changed environmental condition. Mature and viable seeds will not germinate even in the presence of favorable condition, because they have to dispersed from one place to the another place for the distribution of species population, and that thing is possible when seed is present in a dormant condition. So after maturation also the seeds are remain in dormant condition is helpful for the dispersal of a seed from one place to another place. So this is about dormancy. Viable seeds germinate only after completion of one set of a dormancy period. After completion of a dormancy period only the seed can go for the process of a germination. Next, apomixis. Apomixis is a process of formation of one embryo or many embryos without the formation of a gamete, and as gametes are not formed, the question of fertilization is also not get raised. So formation of embryo or embryos without gametes and process of fertilization is called as apomixis. It is an alternative way. It is unusual sexual reproduction where there is no meiosis and there is no union of male and a female gamete, which is called as a syngamy. Embryo is get developed